Hi, I'm back with another video. So we'll press Windows key R, type backslash, enter. It will open quick access library. Then we will have a command, another command called Windows key R. We'll type dot, and that will open the home folder of the current user. Okay, another command is Windows key R. You type dot dot, and will open File Explorer in user folder. Another command is Windows R. We can type control. That will take us to control panel. Easy. Another one. Windows R. And let's do MS config. That takes you to system configuration. Okay. So Windows key and R. Let's open Clean Manager. CLEAN-MGR. That opens your disk cleanup utility. Another command, Windows R, and we will type appwizcpl, appwiz.cpl. It will give you programs and features. Another command is Windows key and R. We type RESMON. We go to resource monitor. Okay, so what could be the command? Okay, Windows key and R. Okay, you want to do some mouse setting. Main.cpl will open your mouse settings. Anything you want change regarding your mouse, this is the command. Okay, one more. Let's see. Windows and R. MSTSC. Another command is this is MSTSC. This opens your remote desktop connection. You want to connect remotely to some computer? Use this command. Another command could be you want system info, msinfo 32. For Windows 10, this is msinfo 32. You get the system information. You type CALC, it opens the calculator. You want Control R, Windows key R, sorry, always making mistake. Windows key R, Notepad, NOTEPAD, Notepad. It opens the Notepad text editor. Windows built-in text editor. Windows key R, type MS Paint. Will run Microsoft Paint program. These are few commands which I wanted to share with you. Hopefully it will help you, and I'll see you in another video very soon. Have a nice day and goodbye.